I started this challenge with $100. Now after 29 trading days, the account stands at $6,092. This is day 30 and today I'm going to take only 3 trades, all using my high win rate 1 minute binary option trading strategy. Every entry has to be perfect, no room for mistake. And in this video, I'll show you the exact setup that I wait for, the confirmation that gives me the confidence, and how you can apply the same in your trading. Stay focused because one wrong click changes everything. Let's go. This video is not financial advice. Everything shown here reflects my personal trading journey and is shared for educational purpose only. Please remember, you are fully responsible for your own money and trading decisions. Trading carries significant risk and results may vary depending on your experience, strategy, and risk management. These videos are simply me documenting what I do in the markets. Always do your own research and trade responsibly. Right now I'm analyzing odd USD chart and I have a clear trading opportunity here. Let me first create a zone which I will use for a reversal trade. So as you can see, this is a ranging price action and also low in volume. You can see the size of wick rejection that shows that this is a low volume, high volatile market, and in such market condition, the price usually respect the support and the resistance which are clearly visible. So according to me, this is a clearly visible support zone, and if price retests this zone, price will reverse for 1 minute. So I'm waiting now for the price to fall and hit the zone. Once price reach here, I will look for reversal confirmation and will place my trade for 1 minute expiry in the upside direction. Let's wait now for the price to retest this level. Price finally approaching the support level. I will switch now my chart to 5-second chart because I need a strong confirmation. And yes, we have a hammer candlestick formation as soon as price hit the support level. Now let's understand the logic behind this trade. So it's a simple trade setup. I told you that I will wait for the price to hit this zone exactly, and once price reach here, I will look for reversal confirmation and will place my trade. In this case, as you can see, the price was moving here for a lot of time, and after that finally it goes down, and as it was approaching this zone, I was sure that it will reverse because this is a low volume, high volatile market, and in such cases the price usually respects support or resistance. In this case, I was using the support, so I was thinking that the price will reverse. As soon as the price was approaching to the support level and it hit the support zone, instantly it formed this hammer candle. Now a hammer candle is a clear sign of reversal confirmation, as this was a clear confirmation and this came right after the price hit the support zone. I placed my trade here, and you can see after that the price started going in the upside direction and we have a booked profit easily. So to summarize this trade, it's a simple trade. I use a support zone in a ranging price action with low volume market condition to place a reversal trade. The price hit the support and instantly form a reversal pattern, and as soon as I got the confirmation, I placed my trade and we booked profit on the first trade. Now let's find other trading setup. Right now I'm analyzing this chart and I have a clear trading opportunity. As you can see that price is falling in the downward direction, and we have this recent resistance, price already hitting the resistance zone. I'm just waiting for this candle to close. If this 1 minute candle closes below this resistance level, I will place a reversal trade with confirmation. Last 12 seconds are remaining and I will place my trade instantly if I get the confirmation. Last 6 seconds are remaining. I'm switching my chart now on 5-second chart, and yes, that's a good trading setup, and I have placed the second trade in the downward direction. Let's understand the logic behind this trade. So I'm using a simple trading strategy in which we have to wait for the 1 minute candle to close without breaking the support or resistance zone. In this case, this was the resistance. Let me create a zone. So this was the resistance zone here, and this particular zone here you can see is working as a resistance. The price retested this level. You can see the wick rejection, and it failed to break. The closing is inside, so there is no clear breakout, which means we can expect a reversal. To place a reversal trade, all I need is a strong candlestick confirmation on the 5-second chart. When I open 5-second chart, there was a clear confirmation here which closes inside the zone. So it was a sign that the price will reverse, because I have the confirmation on 1-minute chart also. There was no clear breakout, so I placed my trade and we booked profit. It was a simple trade setup. Let me summarize it one more time. This was the resistance which was recently formed. Price tried to break, it failed to break. The 1-minute candle closes inside the resistance level, meaning chances of reversal were there. All I needed was strong bearish confirmation. To place a trade, I open 5-second chart and we have this strong bearish confirmation. That was a sign that price will reverse. So I instantly placed the trade and we booked profit in both of our last two trades. Now it's time to find the next trading opportunity. Right now I am analyzing odd yen chart and I have a trading opportunity here. As the price is approaching towards the recent resistance, chances of reversal are high. I will wait for the 1-minute candle to close near to this resistance zone without a breakout. If the price does that, then I will look for reversal trading opportunity and will place my trade. Last 26 seconds are remaining for this 1-minute candle to close, and looks like that price will close below, so chances of a reversal will be really high. Last 16 seconds are remaining and I am ready to place my trade if I have confirmation. Let's open the 5-second chart, because then only I will be able to trigger any trade. And okay, the candle closes below, so chances of reversal are high. I need strong bearish reversal pattern. These are not strong. You can see the rejections from the buyers. I'll wait for a strong one-sided selling move in the chart and then I will trigger my trade. Let's wait. Still not satisfied. I will still wait for another strong candlestick confirmation. Yes, that's the confirmation. It was an instant selling confirmation. Look at these three candles. If you just focus on these three candles, they together form a strong reversal pattern in the downward direction. Let's understand the logic behind this trade. So on 1-minute chart, you can see this particular candle goes up, hit the resistance, and the closing is very near to this resistance zone. There was no clear breakout, and as there is no clear breakout, we can expect that price will reverse and it will go in the downward direction. So as on 1-minute time frame, our conditions are fulfilled. All I needed was a strong candlestick confirmation, bearish reversal pattern. So I open the 5-second chart. On 5-second chart, you can see price here does not give any strong confirmation. Even this confirmation was not enough for me, so I didn't place the trade. The price retraces back up again and finally it formed this candle. Just focus on these three candles. It's a clear engulfing pattern and it was a strong entry of sellers, showing that price will now reverse. As there was no clear breakout, reversal was required. I got confirmation and I placed the trade using my simple trading strategy, in which I wait for the 1-minute candle to close. So today I have taken 3 trades, all are in profit. 2 trades were based upon reversal trading strategy, in which I wait for the candle closing. The first trade was based upon a reversal from a support level in which the volume was less. It was a low volume market in which I use a good support level for a reversal trade. The confirmation in this trade was a hammer, and the other 2 trades were based upon the 1 minute candle closing, in which I got proper confirmation and I placed a trade. I hope you learned the trading strategy that I used today in this session, and will try to replicate the same when you guys trade. That is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video, and if you have any doubt, you can comment and let me know. I will try to answer those queries, but I believe that the strategy that we are using right now is very simple, and anyone who understands support and resistance and know how to analyze the chart on the surface level can easily apply these strategies. So that is it for today. We'll see you tomorrow with a new trading setup, new opportunities. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.